Welcome to MET Academy. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust the speed duration of a clip in Premiere Pro. We will start by opening up Premiere Pro at the bottom of your screen. You can either create a new project or open up an existing one. Today I will be opening up an existing one. Once the project is open, activate the workspace and zoom in to get a closer look at the clip you want to adjust. Once you know the clip that you want to adjust, left-click with your mouse directly on the clip that you want to adjust. Once this setting pops up, right-click on the speed duration. If you want to slow your clip down, increase the speed percentage. To slow your clip speed by half, increase the speed percentage to 200% like so. Now I will undo what I've just done by hitting Command Z to show you how to slow down a clip. To increase a clip speed, decrease the speed percentage. To speed a clip up by twice the amount, lower the speed percentage to 50% like so. Also, if you want your clip to be a certain length, left-click on the clip, click Speed Duration, and type the length you want your clip to be in the Duration input. You have now learned how to adjust the speed duration of a clip in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.